Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be playing some more Roblox. And I'm going to be joined by Samo.
Hello.
And we're going to get right into a game. So Samo, can you go online?
I don't get Roblox right now.
What?
I'm not able to play Roblox right now.
Oh.
They're on me.
Okay then, so guys, we are going to get right into a game. We are going to go in Redwood Prison. Okay.
But if I can't,
So.
if I can't play on this account, play on this account. It'll be like later. Because my connection's down.
Okay. So guys, this is not going to be a long video because I want to play by myself and not talk the whole time. Okay, so I'm going to be a police. No, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, the way. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Really already? There's already bad guys going in the place, guys? That is really weird.
I know that's like.
Okay, you're a good guy. Let's. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man, he escaped. Already. Oh my gosh. Bam. No! Horrible! That was horrible! That was horrible. Horrible. Guys, that was really bad. So bad. So bad. Are you going to join yet, Zamo?
What?
Are you going to join yet? Okay, but this video is not going to be long. Oh my gosh! These people are so going to get it, guys. That's what I'm talking about. I'm getting these people. What is wrong? You prisoner, try to go here. Well, first, I might have to tase you. Second. No, I fell in the security chair. It's trying to get you. Get back here. Yep, that's what you get for going in here. I arrested Nickel Steele. What? You're going on Roblox?
It won't let me. But when I can, I will,
You guys are all should not.
only know if I'm able to play.
Oh, I know that look. I know that look of somebody. I'm going to arrest you even if you did nothing. I know that look. I know that look. I know that look. Get back here. Come on. Oh my gosh. I want to arrest you. You look like a bad guy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, that is weird. Okay, so you stand down now. There you go. These are lightsaber people. Oh no. This person is going. Wait, I wouldn't actually take in the helicopter. Because why not, guys? I think you guys would have wanted the helicopter in the video. Huh? Of course you would take the helicopter. It's the only thing good. Okay, so guys, we're going to go right to the bad guy base. We're just going to stay up here for a very long time. Oh no, they're trying to get us. Not on my watch. I'm out. Okay, guys. So we're getting closer and closer. People are trying to shoot us. Oh my gosh. A good thing. Oh my gosh. Why do people have to do that? I'm a policeman. People don't just shoot helicopters like, oh, I'm going to shoot this helicopter. Bam, 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 bam. No. That's a bad idea to do. If I were the person that just did that, it's time for prisoners to wake up. Fine. Wait. Those were open. Those were open the whole entire time. Oh, you guessed. Guests are horrible. Bye-bye, guest. There you go. That guest is back to where it's supposed to be. Okay, guys, you guys are going to stay here for over 2 million hours. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. So, guys, there we go. Stop shooting me for the last time! Almost there, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Helicopter. Helicopter. I need to go on the helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopter before I die. Helicopter before they destroy me. Helicopter. Helicopter. Everything's a helicopter.
I have to go.
Okay. So guys, say bye to Zomo. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. See you guys. Dragon out. Hello guys, we are back. And we are back to show the game. So guys, on the last video was how to make your own intro. And of course, why wouldn't I say this? Subscribe to all of my channel stuff and subscribe to Blue Dragon Gaming. And I just hope you love my content. Bye guys. Dragon officially out.